My name is Bob Hinz. My company is called HomeWrights. I'm standing inside of a new custom home that was built by the homeowner. Everything you see here, this is the master bedroom. Everything you see in this master bath was built by the homeowner. One of the things that really makes my company different, HomeWrights, is the fact that we create opportunities for homeowners to build their own custom homes. We call it the owner-builder process. Our owner-builders are people just like you. They're IT professionals. Sometimes they're retirees. Sometimes they're surveyors. Sometimes they're secretaries. 1,000 different types of, hundreds of different types of homeowners, okay? But the one thing that makes them all the same is that they're willing to take on the task of building their own custom home. And we make it simple. This is a tool bag or tool belt. If you were to go to a job site and watch a framing crew perhaps building a home like this, you'd see every guy or every person on the framing crew wearing one of these. It's got a little bit of everything in it. You can see it's chisels and screwdrivers and levels and pliers and hammers and tape measures and pry bars and just a little bit of everything. This one probably weighs about 35 pounds. Somebody who's framing a house or somebody who's doing heavy work on a house is going to carry one of these around on their hips all day long. Some of these are so heavy that some of the guys actually wear shoulder straps or suspenders to carry these things around with them. If you're an owner builder using HomeWrights owner builder process, you'll never have to do that. You'll never have to carry one of these things around all day. Because if you're an owner builder using HomeWrights owner builder process, everything you've got, all the tools you need to get this job done, you carry in your back pocket. Everything you need to get the job done is right here. We have your project schedule here. We have your budget here. We have a directory of subcontractors and suppliers right here. We have daily logs right here, project notes, project photographs, everything you need to get the job done right here in the palm of your hand. And of course, you can call us anytime because one of our project managers is going to be assigned to your project and he or she is going to be out there on the job site with you if you need them, helping you to get the job done, making sure you navigate that entire process flawlessly. So everybody knows that building a new custom home is going to be hard work. Certainly we don't dispute that. We've done more than 400 of them with our clients. What we do know is this: you don't have to do it this way. We've got an owner-builder process. And with our owner-builder process, this is the toolkit that you need to become expert with. We've got all the processes, all the systems in place. We've got expert personnel in our offices that can absolutely guide you step by step through that entire owner-builder process. You don't have to do it the hard way. Do it the owner-builder way. Do it the HomeWrights way.